Hi, today I'll be talking about using stoichiometry in order to determine delta H. So the problem we have right now is CH4 plus 2O2 makes CO2 and 2H2O. For this, the enthalpy, or delta H, is negative 890.1 kilojoules per mole. Our purpose is to calculate delta H when there are 6 grams of CH4 in the reactant side. So we have to use 6 grams of CH4 in order to convert the X amount of delta H. So the first thing we have to do is we have to get the equation set up. So it'll be CH4 plus 2O2 makes CO2 plus 2H2O, and we will also have to add in the delta H, which if in the reactant side, it'll be positive, and if delta H is negative, it'll be in the product side. So we just have to put it in as plus 890.1 kilojoules per mole. You could then just calculate the stoichiometry just by using this. So then what we have to do is we have to do the actual stoichiometry. And so what we do is 6 grams, which is G, CH4 times. So how much does 1 mole of CH4 is 16 grams CH4. So 6 grams CH4 divided by 16 grams CH4 equals 1 mole CH4. And then 1 mole CH4 makes negative 890.1 kilojoules per mole. You then just plug it in and calculate. So I have 6 divided by 16, which is 0.375, times negative 890.1, which would be negative 3, which would be negative 333. Well, that's not kind of accounting for sig figs, so yeah. So don't forget your sig figs. I forgot about them, so So the second problem, let's try to convert from delta H to grams. So let's say find X grams when 2,700 kilojoules per mole of energy. So what you have is 2,700 kilojoules per mole. And then you have to multiply it by how much energy makes 1 mole. So that's 890.1 kilojoules per mole. Makes 1 mole CH4. And we're looking for CH4 in the reaction. So you then have to bring back 1 mole CH4, and then you have to do 16 grams CH4. And then all the values will cancel out with moles being gone, kilojoules per mole, and it'll just be grams. So let's calculate it. It'll be 2,700 divided by 890.1 equals 3.03 times 16 equals 48.53. So this would be 48.53 grams of CH4. So that's pretty much the basics of how you do it. And yeah, so I guess that's it. So thank you and stay safe.